What is up, everybody? And I am super excited today. I received something in the mail at work that, well, let me just show you. That's right. It's for the Charger. It is a new steering wheel. If you do not follow this guy, Helgato Carbon on Instagram, follow him. He does a ton of steering wheels. I don't know how he does it so quickly. I ordered this and he got it turned around really fast. But so I'm just going to unbox it. We'll just enjoy it and let you guys see what it looks like. All right, got my handy dandy knife here. Oh yeah, don't cut toward you. Yeah, I know. Whatever. All right, so before I do this, let me just say, he takes an OEM steering wheel and then he, I guess, blows it apart and makes it to your specifications. He has never done one like this before. He told me that now that he has, he'll probably be doing more. I did not want the LED lights at the top, but I wanted it flat. Oh, look at that. Guys, look at that. Are you ready? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There it is. How gorgeous is that? Now, I wanted it to specifically match the interior. So I wanted white stitching. He nailed it. I also did not want gloss carbon fiber because the interior does not have gloss carbon fiber. Nailed it. I wanted the flat top. It is absolutely beautiful. Oh. How gorgeous is that, guys? Come on. You gotta admit, that is beautiful. Oh man. And the paddles feel so good. All right, we got to go see how this looks matched up against the interior. Come on. Okay, so I have absolutely horrible lighting in the garage, but I have LEDs in the car. So look at that. Gonna look so good. Say goodbye, factory. Hello, new hotness. All right, guys. That's all I want to do. This is just unboxing, let you see this. It feels really good too, by the way. Just so you guys realize, this feels amazing. Feels absolutely amazing. Cannot wait to get this installed. So, that's all we got for right now. Next will be an install video probably. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. God bless.